Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome to my another video. This is iPhone 16 Pro Max. You can see that the LCD was broken. Today I want to show how to change iPhone 16 Pro Max LCD. Now we have available iPhone 16 Pro Max LCD, back glass, battery. All kinds of mobile repair and servicing available here. We can repair broken LCD, battery replacement, water damage, phone unlocking, port repairs and much more. And iPhone all model original parts available here. If your phone have any problem and need any kind of solution, you can contact us. You can contact in inbox or my WhatsApp number. WhatsApp number in description. Also, you can visit our shop. Our shop address Lloyd Plaza, Bukit Bintang, Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. Okay everyone, let's watch the full video. After watching the video, please follow our Facebook page and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you everyone.